Picking up here with a pretty nice flow as we get closer to the top of the mountain. There's some of that spider wart in the background there. It's a very small little shallow pool here with that bright red plant in the middle. That's Diamorpha. That's a succulent, and it's at the height of its bloom season. And it looks like the flow is coming out of this large bank here, because there's nothing above that I can immediately see. So track that back to right here, and right about there in that pocket is where it looks like it's flowing from, and actually from the base of this entire bank here. See how saturated that bank of moss is there.